Hello YouTube, it's the Brick Adjuster here with another Lego MOC video. Today we have a MOC by Big T. So let's take a closer look. So here is Big T's MOC, and we have two monochromatic figures in black. The first guy has eyeballs with an orange chain and a skull on his staff. And the second guy has wings and a cape. And two weapons, black and red. So this is Big T's MOC of black monochromatic figures. So this concludes this Lego MOC video for today. This is the Brick Adjuster signing off. Thanks for watching, and we will see you guys in another video.